Let me show you how to make this delicious finger-licking chicken karahi. You're going to want to make this over and over again. So I'm using an iron wok, and then to that I'm adding in some oil. Then I'm adding in the chicken, and I'm going to fry that until the chicken starts to change colour. Once it's changed colour, you want to add in the garlic and ginger paste and cook for a few minutes. Then in go in all the spices, and you want to mix and cook that for a few minutes just so that the raw taste of the spices is cooked out. Then I'm going to add in some bullet chillies and some tomatoes, and I'm going to cover and cook this until the tomatoes soften and you can easily lift off all of the tomato skins from the tomatoes. Then you want to mash up the tomatoes and cook it on a high heat until all of your water starts to evaporate. Once the water started to evaporate, you want to add in some plain yoghurt, and then you're going to cook this on a high heat again until all the oil starts to separate and the yoghurt is cooked out. Finally, you're going to garnish, and you're going to add in some garam masala, some coriander, slices of ginger and some sliced up chillies. And then you want to serve it with some garam rotis, and it is absolutely delicious. Enjoy!